In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a Delta flight with SkyMiles. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search on Delta's site, make sure prices show in miles, compare cabin options, and complete your booking with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Delta. On the results page, look for the official Delta Airlines website. It should be delta.com, and you'll see a secure padlock in the address bar. Avoid sponsored listings or third-party sites, since you want to redeem SkyMiles directly with Delta for the most accurate availability and pricing. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top right corner and click Log In. Sign into your SkyMiles account so your miles balance loads and any member-only pricing displays correctly. If you're already signed in, you'll see your name or account icon. Being logged in also helps the site autofill your traveler information later. On the booking widget, choose your destination, the type of trip, round trip, one-way, or multi-city, your departure and return dates, and the number of passengers. If your dates are flexible, you'll often find better redemption values a day or two on either side. Before you search, check the box that says Shop with Miles. This is crucial. It tells the site to display prices in miles instead of cash. Keep in mind, you'll still pay government taxes and fees in dollars at checkout. Run the search and review the results. You'll see the total price in miles, typically per person, alongside any cash fees. Use the filters to adjust times, stops, and airports, and pay attention to total travel time and layovers. At the top of the results, you can toggle between Main Cabin, Delta Comfort Plus, or First Class and Delta One to compare how many miles each option requires. Read the fare details carefully. Basic economy, for example, may have more restrictions on changes and seat selection. When you find a flight that fits your schedule and mileage budget, select the fare you want. Review the included features like seat selection, change flexibility, and baggage rules. Then click Select to continue. On the trip summary page, verify your dates, airports, and passenger count. Confirm the miles being deducted and the cash amount for taxes and fees. Make any allowed adjustments now to avoid change fees later. Finally, review and pay. Your traveler details may pre-fill from your profile. Double-check spelling. Enter payment for the taxes and fees, agree to the terms, and submit your purchase. You'll receive a confirmation with your itinerary and ticket number. Save it, and you're all set to fly on SkyMiles.